I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And today we're making one of my mom's masterpieces. And if you're following along, it's in the Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease Cookbook on page 155. And it's called, do you want to see what it's?
French lentils with grapes and mint. And one of the reasons that I like it is because it's so easy. I don't like things that are complicated. And the only complicated part about this is cooking the lentils. And even that is very easy because you put in 1 cup of lentils to 2.5 cups of water and cook it for maybe 24 minutes until the lentils are tender, and drain any extra water, and you've got the lentils, and the rest is ridiculously quick. Except one part of it is not.
What's that?
And that is to the 2 cups of lentils, you need 2 cups of red grapes cut in half.
That would make it harder.
So that was the thing that was timed, but I just sat and did it in front of television for a few minutes. And
well, a comment about lentils, just backing up for a second, is that these lentils are kind of like pasta. You cook them in water until they're done to your liking, and then you drain the water off. And these lentils that you chose for your the French lentils, they're unique because they're smaller than most green lentils, and they hold their shape. So you can put them in soups, and you can put them in salads and things, and they have a it's like a boinginess, or what's a better word? They have a little.
They're not liquid.
Yeah, they don't turn to mush.
Like the red lentils, which I love.
In certain sauces.
But they dissolve quickly, so unless you cook them just before they begin to fall apart, they wouldn't work in here. But actually, you could use any lentils. I mean, this is fine. And if you can't find them, try any lentils.
Can I do a wardrobe change? Your earrings caught in your headband.
Oh.
There it is. So the French lentils are cooked, and you can't really overcook them too much unless you really overcook them, but they're going to have the boinginess. And then take it away.
So I have spent a long time cutting these 2 cups of red grapes in half. And what's so nice about this, believe it or not, is that every bite of lentils is a sort of a sweet grape, which is wonderful. And then it takes some mint. And it needs about a 1/4 cup, but I have got a little more than that here because I always do more than it says, or than I did once. And I mean, look how beautiful this is. And then Jane, will you put in some parsley?
Yeah, and I'm just attacking the parsley a little bit here because we had parsley in a dinner the other night with our kids, and one of my kids bit into some, there was kind of a branch of parsley, and they were like, "Oh, what's this sharp thing?" So I wanted to not have, and it wasn't sharp. It was just, parsley has got such a perkiness to it. So I wanted to just chop it up a little extra.
And that's it until, but look, it's pretty. And then the final thing, surprise, surprise, is 2 tablespoons of a balsamic vinegar. And it is so worth it to get a good balsamic vinegar. And for all around the country, there are stores that sell balsamic vinegars, and also olive oil.
Usually an olive oil vinegar shop.
Don't look at the olive oil side, but go in and taste the vinegars. But
all of them.
The olive tap is one of our favorites. There's one not far from us, and a lot of the farmers markets around Cleveland have these, and you can taste them. Usually, I put the olive tap's basic four-leaf vinegar in here, but I happen to bring lemon white today, and that will be delicious too. And so 2 tablespoons of this, and this is done. And it is really surprisingly easy, and it's so delicious, and it is so pretty.
But what you have to, of course, rim it with is your favorite green. And if you have arugula around, arugula's been hard to find lately from time to time.
Wait.
Sorry.
Let me just make sure I get this all in. And you could do any of the vinegar flavors you want. One of the things I like to get the white vinegars often because it keeps whatever you're making a little lighter.
nice wreath of
Now,
arugula.
also, what I also probably would also do is put this underneath this, but I didn't want to have more than one bowl, so I made the lentils in this bowl, but you could have this underneath. But it is such a fun, good salad.
All right, let's have Wade and Josh give a taste. Can you give them a taste? Wade and Josh are working the cameras here.
Actually, I think Wade and Josh are getting full.
There we go. I also want to taste.
I didn't eat breakfast, so I can't.
You're smart to not have breakfast before you come. I'm just going to grab it quick.
I knew this would taste.
It's delicious.
So much flavor.
I love
And
the
that extra
lemon.
mint.
I love the lemon white in here with the mint. Wow.
Now, speaking of these vinegars,
This is a brilliant salad.
yes, this is a brilliant salad.
Ooh.
But I want to make a comment about the vinegars. Is like we don't know how to discuss them as in some situations because they are more expensive, and they are available at these boutique shops. Boutique is a fancy word, but they're so good. They're so worth it because you don't end up using oils and sweeteners because they themselves are so sweet and viscous and thick. Like.
And so many of
It's
my
the answer,
husband's patients just like the balsamic vinegar on their salads, nothing else. So they are. I have got lots and lots at home, and
And I was
we love
looking at
them.
mine.
And you know, it also comes in the chocolate flavor, which is delicious. Oh, Jane, we should
on
have done
lentils.
that.
On lentils.
Oh, no, it's really good on top of banana soft serve, on top of strawberries, on top of melon. Oh, it's good.
Hey, well, tell us what vinegar you choose to put on your French lentils with grapes and mint and parsley and arugula salad. All right,
Bye.
bye.